Here's a quick hot take. Quitting your job before you have your first client, or for the matter, your first 5 clients, is the fastest way to not get your first client. Hi, I'm Anushka, and I escaped the 9 to 5 with my automation agency, doing exactly what I was getting paid to do in my company as a consultant. I'm going to tell you why landing that first $3,000 client is so much easier if you still have a job. And I'll give you a simple 90-day plan that you can run in 90 minutes a day. So if you're a marketer, analyst, designer, HR professional, or basically even a developer, this is for you. You have the skill. What you need is a packaging, is some sort of proof, and a plan, right? Here are 5 basic reasons that quitting early actually slows you down massively. Reason 1: runway beats panic. Savings disappear faster than you think. A salary lets you practice sales without sounding desperate, and clients can always spell desperation. Trust me, I've been there. Reason number 2: you leverage from your job. So, your current work gives you real life use cases, language, credibility, and you can anonymize them into mini case studies, which honestly isn't lying because you've actually done them. Reason 3: better decisions. When rent depends on a sale, you take very bad fit clients and underprice. But if you have something steady going, you can say no and build a real offer. Reason number 4: stealth mode is real, guys. It's 2025. You don't need to announce anything on LinkedIn. Just email, direct messages, and a simple landing page can get you there. You really don't have to overcomplicate it. Loom videos, maybe. They're honestly enough to book calls. Reason number 5: compounding time. 90 minutes a day for 90 days is 135 hours. More than enough to land you your first client or your third client or even fifth client if you're focused. So you don't need to torch your career. Do not, please do not torch your career. You need a tight system that you can run after work, and that's pretty much it. Here's the plan: a 90-day sprint, 90 minutes a day to land your first $1 to $3,000 client. And this is assuming you already have a skill. So people who don't have that, maybe come back again. You don't have to change your LinkedIn profile. You don't have to quit your job. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so phase 1, week 1 to 2 is pick and package. Choose a particular problem that you've solved at work, and you've already done this. So if you're in Excel or data, it could be like automated dashboards. If you're some sort of marketing stream, it could be a content calendar or repurposing system. If you're in an HR company, then it could be some sort of sourcing and screening. If you're in operations, it could be booking, systems and reviews. And then basically just turn this whole thing into one sentence, a one sentence offer. So I help niche save X hours or get Y results using a particular skill delivered in 1 to 2 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks, depending on what your delivery is. It has to be that specific. So price it at $1 to $3,000. Don't over engineer it. One problem, one outcome, one delivery window. Honestly, that's all you need. Phase 2, week 2. Set up your quiet presence. Create a basic site on Notion or Card with a couple of headlines, 3 bullet points, a book a call button. You can reach out to me if you need help doing this. I can honestly do it for you for free. I do this all the time. You can record 3 short Loom videos, 2 to 3 minutes each, for them to see your personality. One can show before and after, one can show some sort of a checklist process, and one can explain your delivery time. Keep your LinkedIn neutral if you need to, because your portfolio is private. So, but I would still say some sort of LinkedIn headline would help also. Phase 3, weeks 3 to 6. You have to do outreach. Spend 30 to 45 minutes a day reaching out to prospects. This is your bread and butter. Do not skimp on this. Target 20 people a day. Search LinkedIn, company websites, or job boards. I'll have a link of things that you can kind of go through with outreach. You can send a simple message. Hey, this particular name, I noticed a particular pain, I help this particular niche, get to this outcome in 2 to 3 weeks. That's why we make it specific. You want me to show you particular Loom doing exactly how I do it? Post it once or twice a week, maybe somewhere on YouTube. If you can on LinkedIn, then that'd be great. I don't think your bosses would have a problem for that. You need to aim for 5 to 10 book calls in the first 30 days. Okay? Phase 4, close and deliver. On calls, follow this flow: pain, plan, price. Next step, anchor an ROI or time saved. How much you're saving them, how much value are you providing. Deliver fast in the evenings. or weekends. You don't have weekends this time. You can use templates. The idea of going specific is that you can use templates and then repurpose. Also ask for referrals. One excellent client becomes a case study that closes client 2 and 3 at higher prices. Phase 5. Weeks 8 to 12, rinse and repeat. Productize whatever you already built and whatever worked. Increase your price to $2,000 to $5,000. Figure it out. Keep your 90-day minute daily sprint running. You need to do this. 30 minutes daily outreach, 30 minutes content or learning, 30 minutes delivery. Don't skimp on this. You need to outsource delivery, get a VA. Okay, quick fire questions or big objections. No portfolio, use anonymized work plus a Loom demo. That's not a problem. No time, 90 minutes a day, same slot every day. Keep LinkedIn neutral if your boss is watching, and use email and a private page, so it shouldn't be a problem. Scared of sales? You're not convincing strangers. You've already done this before, which is exactly why it's so cool. You're matching a real pain with a proven fix. Do not quit your job. Build your exit velocity first. And if you want me to walk you through this entire thing, then you can just comment down below, and I'm very, very happy to help. We run through this together. Like I said, I've done this before, and I would have killed to have some sort of community to keep this going, some sort of community to keep the momentum going, because you honestly just lose yourself, man, in the process. Like it took me a year to get to, the daily 90 minutes of outreach, which is what you should be doing, but obviously you can't with a full-time job. But yeah, I think we're ready to go. Any questions, anything else, let me know. Okay, guys, see you.